Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is the Capsule3 Pro Plus by SoundPEATS. It's targeted to be fighting in the range of the Samsung earbuds and Apple Pro earbuds. Let's see how good is it in today's video. Let's find out. On Amazon, it retails for $81.22. This makes it quite affordable when compared to things like Samsung wireless earbuds or Apple AirPods. For specifications, I'll flash them up on the screen now, but for some of the key points, it has an IPX4 rating, each earbud is weighing about 5 grams, and the ability to support LDAC, that's HD audio streaming, which is better than some of the cheaper earbuds out there using SBC. Lastly, it has adaptive noise cancellation. Opening the box, you're greeted with the earbuds, along with the box containing the menus, warranty info, Type-C charging cable, and additional earpieces in case the current ones are too small. Build quality wise, the overall feel of the product is great and the case closes with a nice click. The earbuds are held in magnetically and the casing does not get stretched easily even in my pocket over my 2 or 3 months of using it. Usability wise, in crowded areas, the noise cancelling worked out quite well, though not 100% as it's not over-the-ear earphones. I would say a good 30 to 40%, which is similar to my buds too. Battery life is around 6 hours after using it for video editing, which is decent for day-to-day use. It also has low latency, which is great for video editing or when playing games. The case itself will also indicate via an LED on its battery level, green, yellow, and red. App functionality. It has its own app, which is similar to something of what Samsung offers, where it allows you to update the firmware, adjust the touch setting, noise cancelling, and your own EQ. You can also customize the touch controls to best suit your liking and usability. For positive points, I like its app control, noise cancelling, and build quality, which is quite decent for its price. It also matches my buds 2 bit with a larger footprint, as the size of the earbuds is slightly bigger. For points of improvement, the earpieces could be made of a stronger material so that it will avoid holding the opposite direction when coming out from your ears. Overall, this earbuds actually live up to its expectation of being quite reasonable in terms of its pricing and performance compared to all the other big dogs out there. So if you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, share, comment down below, and if you want to buy this product, there'll be a link in the description for it. Peace out.